How to do a 5-point perspective drawing. First, draw a circle, and no, you don't need an expensive compass. Then draw a vertical and a horizontal line bisecting the circle. The point where the lines cross and where they meet the circle are your vanishing points. There's center, top, bottom, left, and right. Draw curved lines to the left and right of the center line and above and below the horizon, connecting the top to the bottom vanishing point and the left to the right vanishing point. Finally, draw a series of straight lines radiating out from the central vanishing point. The number of arcs or radiating lines that you draw is up to you. We're establishing a reference grid, but not a grid we're going to measure things by. If you can imagine your head being in the center of a bubble, you have drawn one hemisphere of that bubble. The left and right vanishing points are 90 degrees to your left and your right, and the top and bottom vanishing points are directly above and below your spinal column. That means the grid includes everything in space that's not behind you. Work from the outside edges in, correcting proportions as you go and as you see fit. It takes practice to get it right, but at some point it'll start to click and things will come a little bit easier. A good rule of thumb is to remember that all straight edges are either heading to the left or right vanishing point, to the top or bottom vanishing point, or to the central vanishing point. If you can't figure out what direction a line is supposed to go, remember that you pretty much only have 5 options. Remember to include everything you can see within that space. That includes your hands and sketchbook. And you'd be surprised how much more interesting a cluttered space is than an uncluttered one. The more stuff you include, the less glaring any perspective errors you make will be. Good luck!